Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. So today we're jumping right into this video with this hair from Nightclub Hair Store on AliExpress. Y'all, opening the package, they gave me a double of everything, y'all. I don't know if this is gonna personally come with your package, but seeing that this came with mine, I was hyped, okay? So on AliExpress, this is their short lace frontal wig, invisible lace front bob wig, 100% human hair straight closure wig. And I have this in a 13x4 lace front in 14 inches and 150 density. What I'm showing you guys here is a way for y'all to save some money or get some money back. And if that doesn't work for you, make sure you check in the description box below. Anyways, let's look at this wig straight out of the package, y'all. Here is what she's looking like. She's giving me a lot of shine and a lot of high quality. And let me tell y'all, I was surprised by this being an AliExpress wig. Do y'all see those knots? No, that's my point. Okay, those knots were extremely small, so if you want to go in and bleach your knots, you're not going to have a problem. If you just want to use makeup will most likely cover it and everything will be good. Also, I noticed that the wig is pre-plucked. It's not like extremely pre-plucked, but it's pre-plucked enough. If you want to throw it on your head and go, you could. I obviously did some more plucking later in the video, as you guys are gonna see, but this is how the lace matched against my skin. It's kind of like a darker tone with a little bit of cool undertones under it, so if you're my complexion, you might have to use some makeup later to fix it. Other than that, there was no complications with it whatsoever. And the wig cap came with adjustable straps and combs per usual, and was high quality as well. I was super shocked that this was an AliExpress wig, y'all, and I'm so glad to be reviewing it for y'all. But as you guys have seen in the beginning, I did do my own customizations with some dyeing to begin with, so we're gonna get into that right now. So your girl decided to do an under dye, under layer, whatever y'all want to call it, and I decided to go with purple. These are the products that I used. Y'all are gonna see me using all the products just in case y'all have any questions. I'm just showing y'all all the items that you'll need for this process. It was not a hard process at all. It was pretty simple, so I'm going to show you guys how I accomplished it. First of all, by securing your wig and making sure that all your knots are gone, then you just portion out as much hair as you want to be dyed. I got a little scared. I did go up a little bit too far, so I started pushing some more hair up into the ponytail to not be dyed. Now, key thing about this is that I wanted my under dye to show in the front of my hair, so I pulled these strands back in a staggered way. Basically, it was big at the bottom, and as I pulled it to the front of my hair, the pieces got extremely smaller. So these pieces would be dyed and they would be shown once I was done styling the wig. Also used the Got To Be glue just to protect my hair that I wasn't dyeing, to make sure that the color was only on those pieces at the bottom. So of course I went in and I dyed the hair per usual. You guys, just make sure you saturate your hair. Saturate your hair, saturate all of the hair, make sure all of the hair lifts as evenly as possible. I do suggest you use a foil because that's going to keep the heat in and help your hair to lift even faster. After that, you guys are going to see how this hair lifted. It lifted really well for it to be AliExpress hair. You guys, sometimes hair doesn't lift, okay? It doesn't lift when it's AliExpress hair because it's just not good grade hair. But this lifted, and then I went in and I used this Temptation purple dye. Now, something I do suggest for this is once you wash your hair, use hot water along with the purple dye, because I let this purple dye sit on my hair for a long time just to make sure that color seeped in. So I got these final results, as you guys can see, before I went in to style the wig. Now, if you guys want a more pigmented under dye, I'd suggest that you bleach your hair twice and leave that Temptation on it longer. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and install the wig. I really tried to show you guys how I'm installing my wigs nowadays. I haven't been using glue much, just been using like Got To Be glue, for these quick installs. I tried to just include the most important part so you guys didn't have any questions and y'all could see how flawless this wig turned out. Of course, if you do have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Let me know what you guys think of this under dye. I was just trying to be different. I've had a lot of bob wigs in the past, so I really wanted this bob wig to be different and show you guys that, you know, sometimes I'm feeling a little creative and such, you know what I mean? But I just wanted to show you guys something cute, creative, and fun if you wanted to do it. I actually went out this night, so I did rock this wig outside, and I am proud to say that. But other than that, this wig didn't have any problems when installing, you guys. This was flawless for an AliExpress bob wig, no lie. Definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. I didn't have any shedding issues. The hair didn't dye weird. It took to the dye well, so that was exceptionally great. And overall, this wig surprised the mess out of me. If you guys have liked this video so far, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. I'm going to let you guys finish watching how I installed this wig, and I'll come back to y'all in the end. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I loved this, honey. Like I said, I was going for something fun, cute, and something that I could just wear out and know that I did it, honestly. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you guys want this wig, and make sure you check in the description box below and be sure to use my coupon code for some dollars off. If you haven't already, hit those big red letters below and subscribe. I love you guys so much and hope to see you guys as watchers in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.